To turn a single-player Minecraft world into a multiplayer experience in 2025, you have a couple of options depending on how much setup you're comfortable with. One way is by using a dedicated server, which gives the best performance and stability. To do this, you first locate your single-player world folder on your computer, which on Windows is found in the Minecraft saves directory. Then you download the appropriate server software for either Java or Bedrock Edition and run it once, so it generates the necessary files. After stopping the server, you replace the server's world folder with your single-player world folder, making sure the name matches the world name used by the server. Once that's done, you restart the server and it will load your old single-player world as a multiplayer server. You can host it yourself by setting up port forwarding or upload it to a paid hosting service using an FTP program. Another, much easier option on Java Edition is using mods like Essential. With this method, you install the mod, open your single-player world, and then invite friends directly through the in-game menu as long as they also have a mod installed. This lets friends join your world without needing to set up a full server or deal with port forwarding. There are also alternatives like the World Host mod, which allows friends to join your world even if they don't have the mod installed themselves.